The what? The Z Flip coming up next. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone Apple Tech Trends. If you're new, go below. Subscribe, hit the little bell, keep alerted of all my videos. Remember, we bring you guys all the latest apps and the latest tech trends. Now let's get back to something that I'm super stoked about. This thing right here is, wow, amazing. Galaxy Fold has nothing on this. Trust me when I tell you guys this. Guys, I have to show you this. Let's just get into the video right now. You get the box, you get your headphone, you get your C-type cable, and let's not forget your charging brick, all right? So you get that, nothing special. What's special is this. Now, when I talk about this is special. Forget about the specs. The specs, they're okay. But the fact that you can do this, you can fold it, you can straighten it out, you can put it back like that. This angle, you can shut it down. You have in front, on front, you have your little display here, right? You can open it up like that, okay? You can open it up full screen. Full screen is pretty sweet, right? I got the Apex launcher, of course, you know that. I have the video coming up across for the Apex launcher if you want this launcher, which is amazing, makes your phone so much faster, all right? It's not the original launcher. And look at this, you got the camera right there. You can switch angles, you can do that. You can video, record, I mean, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I'm just in love. I'm telling you guys. Samsung Z Flip has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, a 1080p resolution. It's not bad at all. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 8 gigabytes of RAM, so not bad. Storage is 256. You have a USB micro slot SD, so it's expandable. You can do so much with it, but forget about all the specs. The fact that you can do this, you can do that, you can bend, you can watch a movie. You know, I play poker, for example. I'm sitting down, I can watch it like that, like a TV. It's great at different angles, it stays like that. This by far is better than the Fold. It blows away the Fold, and it's about $600-700 cheaper, all right? So if you're interested in it, I'm gonna put in the description below, you can go get it if you're interested in it. It's a tough phone, it's an amazing phone. By the way, congrats to all the winners for the $2,000. Now, if you want to win $2,000 for this month, make sure you go below, comment, and subscribe to this video, and make sure you give a like, okay? Guys, I'm stoked about this phone. I hope you are too. Let me know what you think about the phone. Any of the phones, comment below. You know what we do here, guys. Everything we do here is easy peasy, peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.